Cindy, what is it?
You act to be good to me, but stab me at my back.
How?
How? No, who just dropped you at the gate?
Look, Cindy, it's not what you think.
I had a wonderful night. Life is good. Life is good. I dance. And I drink. I smoke. And I was happy. Happy. Life is good. Life is good. Had a good night. Had a wonderful night. And now I'm good. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Cindy, what has come over you? You left this house since afternoon and look at the time you are returning home.
Who are you? Who are you to tell me when to come back to my father's house? Who are you?
Our father's house, Cindy. Besides, no one is dragging your rights with you. All I am saying is that you are matured enough to differentiate what is good from bad. Cindy, for Christ's sake, this lifestyle of yours dangerous. It's ruining you.
Are you mad? Are you stupid? Are you crazy? Don't you know I'm older than you with 5 years? If you talk to me like that again, if you talk to me like that again, you will not like me. You will not like the side of me you will see.
Cindy, I am your sister. And I will never deceive you. Do you expect me not to be bothered when my sister goes out and comes home late? It's just us in this world. Just the two of us. And we need to have each other's back.
Shut up. Shut up! Shut up your mouth. Shut up. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me like that again. I'm marching to my room. Marching to my room. Angelina, they blew my temperature. You follow me, go see father. Me I go tell you everything I want. Angelina, they blew my temperature. You follow me, go see father.
Good morning, sis.
Good morning.
How was your night?
Fine. You knocked before, right?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
I wanted to know if you would join me in jogging, but I saw that you were asleep.
I was very, very tired and weak. There was just no way I'll be able to run this morning.
Okay. I also want to apologize for the way I spoke to you last night. I did not mean to provoke you.
It's fine. You're forgiven.
Okay. Let me hurriedly freshen up and make breakfast.
Alright.
Clara, honestly, I am not going to argue it. Listen, for the fact I chose to read boss admin doesn't mean I can't handle other science courses. Yes.
All I am saying is that science is more better than art. Look, I really wish you were the one studying medicine. By now you would have done a change of course.
I can't believe you are seriously doubting my ability. Well, that's by the way. So, any positive news about your school strike?
Oh, none at all. I am really tired of staying at home.
Okay.
I really wish I were you guys done with school. Everything, honestly.
You have to count one before two. One at a time. So tell me, How about your sister? Is she in?
Yeah, she's probably in her room.
So is she coming downstairs today?
I don't know for how long. That girl has a mind of her own. Oh, Cindy.
Hi.
Clara, I want to talk to you outside.
Okay. Excuse me. Give me a minute. I'll be back.
But I said hi. I said hi. Oh God. Maybe I didn't smile while saying the hi. Hi. Hi.
Clara, listen. Talk to your friend. Tell him I don't want to see him in this house again.
Why? He has done nothing wrong to you. Why are you acting like you don't know him?
Why are you asking me questions? Are you questioning my authority now?
Cindy, why are you treating me this way? We are sisters and you should accord me my own respect.
Exactly. Now I want you to accord me my own respect by telling that boy not to come to this house again.
Cindy, Ray is a nice guy. He is kind. He's generous. He is...
Clara, I said what I said.
So lovely, charming and elegant, but behind this epitome of beauty lies a beast. She's so right in her ways, does not care how others feel. She's a venomous viper, be careful with her. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She is so lovely, charming and elegant, but behind this epitome of beauty lies a beast. She's so right in her ways, does not care how others feel. She's a venomous viper.
Pretty Damsey, I'm talking to you.
Is that how you were taught to talk to a lady?
Come on, sweetheart. You're an epitome of beauty and you should be addressed as an angel. Anyways, my name is Duke. How about you?
I'm Sendiva. Whatever you have to say, please say it fast. I don't have time.
Well, it would be my pleasure if we go out on a date, get to know each other, and I promise you, you're not gonna lack anything. I'll give you anything you want. And all I want to hear from you is to say yes to me. And I will give you what I call unlimited flexing. Listen, girl, my name is Duke. One, na Cambodia, I had the two. My money is long. I have money. I've made so much money, as you can see. So just say yes and I'll give you what I call unlimited flexing. Cindy, am I communicating?
Call me your account number.
For what? I mean, why do you need my account number?
I need to send you money for your flexing. I'm waiting.
She is so lovely, charming and elegant, but behind this epitome of beauty lies a beast. She's so right in her ways, does not care how others feel. She's a venomous viper, be careful with her. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside.
Let's go.
So bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty.
What's up with your mood?
I'm fine. Just take me home. I don't have your strength this afternoon.
And what do you mean by that?
Duke, how could you disgrace me like this before my fellow girl? Can't you at least accord me some respect publicly?
What more respect should I accord you than this money you're squandering?
What?
Does your father own a car? I'm asking you, does he? Mpagi ewe moto? Eh? Mpagi ewe moto? Big boy like me. You think I'm
What are you doing?
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Are you okay? Are you mad? I'm asking you, are you mad? Go! Get up from my car! Get up! I don't see you anywhere around you! Fool! You! Move! Idiot! Alpha! Vagabond! You called.
She called.
Who?
Rose, of course. Duke, what is wrong with you? What's up with you and ladies? Can't you just pick one, settle down with her, instead of jumping around?
Hey, bro. Slow down. How many questions at a time? Okay, let me ask you something.
Go ahead.
Can you eat beans for a year?
No. Oh, yes, I can. Because it is my favorite. All I need do is change it into different varieties so that I won't get tired. But let me ask you one simple question. Have you ever heard that a doctor placed someone on a particular diet?
Yes, of course, I have.
Do you know why?
Come on, say something.
Because other food can cause havoc to the system, which could lead to death if you don't know.
So what are you trying to say?
All I am trying to say in essence is, Duke, give meaning to your life. Stop all these things you're doing, it will not help you. Rose called me, she said a lot of things, and from the way she sounded, she has gone for good. I am not preaching for you to bring her back, but Duke, you have to place yourself on a particular diet. Place yourself on one diet, change it into different varieties, and I promise you, you will never get tired of it. Yes.
And can I tell you something?
What do you want to say?
Listen, I have my life to live. And everything she told you are totally rubbish. It doesn't make sense to me.
She is so lovely, charming and elegant, but behind this epitome of beauty lies a beast. She's so right in her ways, does not care how others feel. She's She's a venomous viper. Be careful with her. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant. Gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant. Gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant. Gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. Is so lovely, charming and elegant, but behind this epitome of beauty lies a beast. She's so right in her ways, does not care how others feel. She's a venomous viper, be careful with her. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant. Gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant. Gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant.
Hi! How are you?
Oh, please don't touch me with that dirty.
What's wrong with her? Is that how she behaves?
I'm sorry, sir. I don't want to get involved in this.
Your sister, right?
Yes.
Okay, can I have your number so we can relate more? Please?
Trust me, I did not give him my number. But what transpired between both of you that made you sound so harsh? It sounded like you knew him before.
I hate guys who don't respect women. Can you imagine that guy asked me out right in front of his girlfriend in the supermarket?
Wow. Wow, wow. That's really bad. But Cindy, you need to learn to control your temper. If not, it will get you into trouble one day.
What are you insinuating?
All I am saying is that all men are not Max.
Speaking of the devil. Hi, baby. A surprise? What is it about? What is it about? Okay, I'll be on my way. But I don't know. I see jogging.
I think I'm tired.
Hi, Ray. Get me here for lunch.
Come here. Listen, you see that young man outside? I don't want to see him step his feet into this compound. Do I make myself clear?
Yes,
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi. Why does she hate me?
I don't know. The last time we wanted to talk about it, she got angry and it almost turned into an issue. So I had to end it. By the way, why are you here this morning?
Okay. I actually came to see her.
See who?
Your sister.
My sister? Why? What for?
Clara, please, can we not talk about this? Alright? Maybe some other time.
Okay.
I have to go now.
That's fine. I'll be inside.
Alright. Say me well to her.
Hi, baby. Hello. How are you? So, you told me you had a surprise. What's the surprise about?
Yeah. That is she, Auntie UK. My auntie. She lives in Port Harcourt, but she came to town today to do something in their headquarters. So she came visiting. And I told her so much about you. And she demanded to see you.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow, really? You're welcome. Just feel at home, okay? Baby, I want to show you something. Just come. Just come!
Is that how she behaves? No, Auntie, she's a good girl. She's fine. Very nice. Hello, baby. Baby!
No road. Hey, Akawo. Mban. No way. Can you imagine?
Is she the surprise?
That is my auntie I've been telling you about. And I expect you to accord some respect. Not the other way around.
Hey! Don't even go there. This is my life, and I live it the way I want to. What do you expect me to do? Bow to her like Queen Elizabeth or what? Listen, it seems I'm not welcome here. You know what? Just call me when your aunt leaves.
No, it's anything to see you. Just be getting angry.
Please, I'm famished. You're here talking about your aunt.
If you are famished, you go to the kitchen and prepare something to eat now.
What? Maxwell, have you not seen me in the kitchen? Let's go to the restaurant and eat, please.
No, cannot do that. How is you can start the day without going to the kitchen? My auntie is around, so you want me to take you to the restaurant to buy food. When you're supposed to go to the kitchen and cook for everybody to eat.
Listen, you're provoking me with this your aunt's line. What's it with you and your aunt? What?
Okay. Sorry. Sorry, no problem. I've told you. You know what? I have a surprise for you. We're partying tonight.
Please just meet me in the room.
She is so lovely, charming and elegant, but behind this epitome of beauty lies a beast. She's so right in her ways, does not care how others feel.
Bro, there is this girl I got, and she is gonna be my last bus stop. Believe me, either she or no other girl. I know she's proving stubborn, but trust me, I like them stubborn. This lady has stressed me like no other one. Ray, now you are the follow talk now. Wait. You mean I've been talking to myself all this while? What's bothering you?
Were you saying something?
Was I saying something?
See, Duke, I am in a very big mess. My heart is in a very big mess. I am telling you. There is this girl my heart suddenly began to yearn for. But she has an issue. Maybe because she thinks she has everything a man can offer her. She's too proud, full of herself. She doesn't even want me to come close. I have done everything humanly possible. I have used all formats, every move, everything. Yet,
come on, man.
She doesn't want me.
Wait. You're too soft to handle a girl with such description. Eh? Just let her go.
I should let her go.
Yes, of course.
I can't do it. That is why and where I want you to come in.
Really?
Yes, Duke, everybody knows you. You are such a notorious playboy, even back then in school. Everybody knows you. I want you to come in. I need you to help. So, hello? Yeah, Clara, what's up? Alright, fine. I am coming there immediately. Alright, I'll be there immediately. Yes. Thank you. Duke, I have to go now. I have to attend to something very urgently. I'll come to your house and see you. When I come, we'll talk about it. Stay cool, please.
Oh my God.
Wow. This food looks yummy. You must be a very good cook, Auntie.
Really? I never knew. You're just telling me now. Hey! Come.
What is this? What does it look like? It's food. Really?
1 minute. Hi. I don't blame you. So you went to the pot and did this mountain of rice. And took the biggest part of the chicken in the pot. Not just one, but two. Hey! This is how I eat. What did you just say? This is how you eat. In this house. Oh, wait. My dear. You think here is Rodina or Crunches? This is home. House. Wait. See my food. Very moderate. Responsible size. And you went to my pot. So why didn't you carry the pot? Why didn't you carry the pot?
Listen. I will not stand here and watch you insult me because of mere chicken. No, I will. You see, Martin and I have been living peacefully and we have never complained of anything. And then you're talking to me just because of mere chicken. You know what? Just eat it!
This is a mad dog. Maxwell. This is bad omen. This girl is a mad dog. My own chicken is mere chicken. Wildlife plus wildlife equals to domestic violence. Serious blow. This is end time. Am I dreaming or what? Hi. You're lucky. You're not lucky. If you had stood 1 more second, I would have shown you what fire does with the ear of a rat. My chicken is my chicken. Pama.
She said she's going for a party and won't be coming home tonight.
Honestly, I don't know what is wrong with me, Clara.
I understand everything.
How do you mean?
You like my sister Ree. You do. And I really wish it works out for both of you. Because you're such a nice guy that every girl in her right senses would love to be with. But my sister, I don't know. You know, she doesn't see life in her perspective. She believes life is all about enjoyment.
Listen, Clara. I have feelings for your sister. I mean, I love her. But the fact is, I don't know how to go about it. I don't even know how to tell her. I need your help, Clara. Please.
I don't know how I'm going to talk to her about this. Someone who doesn't want to set her eyes on you, how is it going to work? I have a plan.
What plan? I'm asking you. What plan? If that girl is the plan you have, then you are planless.
Chineke.
What is Chineke? Why will she go to the kitchen to dish food by herself? Eh? And the worst part is that she went and took the biggest part of the chicken in the pot.
Auntie, you guys. Okay. Sorry about that. It's okay now. That should not be a problem. Shouldn't be an issue. I have a lot of chicken in the freezer. So, why are you...
You have a lot of chicken in the freezer?
Yes.
Cooked one or where? Eh? No, cooked one. Hey, it's okay. So why didn't she eat them raw? Eh? She just waited for me to finish cooking and dive into the pot like monkey that saw ripe bananas.
Alright, Auntie Uche, I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry for what she did. Okay, fine. On behalf of Cindy, I am saying sorry. She won't do it again. Auntie, she's still a baby. Definitely she will change. Yes, she will change. Moreover, we are not married yet. By the time we get to that bridge, we'll definitely cross it.
My dear, not for married bridges. Mba. For you to cross that bridge, you must plan properly. Otherwise, you cannot cross that bridge. Maxwell, I don't understand you. How can you marry a girl that cannot even boil hot water? Eh? A girl whose life depends on flexing. Let me ask you, do you see her like a mother? No way. She's not. If I allow that girl to come into this house, she will turn this house to a party hall instead of a home.
Auntie, fine. Can we just drop this? Let's drop this. Now that she's around, let's not talk about this. I will handle things myself. I'll sort things out.
We should not talk about it. So when do we talk about it? Eh? You that will soon go out tonight. When? Anyway, for your information, I'm leaving tomorrow.
And so soon? But you said you are going next week now.
But I'm telling you now that I'm leaving tomorrow. Is it a problem?
How we are not the one chasing you? Not that you now go back to Port Harcourt, now you see Max and Cindy chased out of the house. Okay, fine. Yeah, stop. Smile now, smile. Just smile. So what will I shop for you now? My auntie is going back tomorrow. I need to shop for her. Smile now. So that your face is just... Smile, what will I shop for you?
Maxwell, stop.
What will I shop for you now?
My nephew's house? So you woke up this morning, you're already watching a movie. Smoke in here! And what is the attention. Are you talking back at me? Eh? Are you talking back at me? One more word from your mouth, I will burn your mouth with this cigarette. Are you crazy? Eh? Look at the whole house, so dusty and unkept. Instead of you to clean up the whole house, you're here, smoking and watching TV.
Do I look like a maid? No, do I look like a maid? Listen, let me tell you. If you're looking for somebody to clean this house, I mean, if you feel this house is not clean enough for you to stay, you go out there and look for a maid. Or better still, you go in there, look for broom and mop and make sure the whole house is clean so you can stay. What is your problem? Are you a witch? Go out!
She's a venomous viper. Be careful with her. She's a stubborn beauty.
Hey!
Pretty arrogant.
Hold on,
Goes outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty.
This girl is a disgrace to
Pretty
me.
arrogant.
Eh?
Goes outside.
Smoking in the house and watching TV. She thinks this place is a clubhouse. About the moment I get her, I need to.
Goes outside, but so bitter inside. She is so lovely, charming and elegant, but behind this epitome of beauty lies a beast. She's so...
I need not remind you that you are the only child of your parents. Your father left a huge responsibility for you. And instead of you to concentrate on it, you're lavishing his wealth on that useless and mannerless girl.
Auntie, not again. Auntie, that girl you are calling names will soon be my wife. She's the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. At least, come on, give her some little respect.
Respect my foot. A girl that talks to me anyhow? Eh? That drinks and smokes around? Maxwell, what is wrong with you? How do you intend to build your home with such a person? Eh? A girl that both of you have the same lifestyle. Now tell me, what will she teach your children? How to smoke, drink and club? Now listen to me. If I see that girl in this house again, you will beat me.
She is so lovely, charming and elegant, but behind this epitome of beauty lies a beast. She's so right in her ways, does not care how others feel. She's a venomous viper, be careful with her. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant.
So disgusting! No, do I look like a maid? Do I look like a maid in any way to this woman? Why does she have to be a problem to my comfort? For what? Like, what's wrong? Why can't I live my life the way that I choose to live it? Why?
Please, calm down. Calm down, okay? What's the problem? What is it?
Imagine that woman that calls herself Max's aunt. Just imagine her. This is the reason why I hate anything mother-in-law, sister-in-law. Then I don't. They should just all go to hell. They should go to hell. You know, if I ever decide to get married to Maxwell, I will not want to see any one of them close to that house. I will not want to see it.
Please, calm down, okay? Calm down, calm down. What exactly did she do? What did she do?
Can you imagine? Can you imagine that woman telling me to dust the house? For what? Why would she ask me to do something like that? Does she know who I am? Does she? Asking me to clean the house. If she needs a maid or somebody to do her housework, why don't she get a maid? Why not? Or better still, do it herself. If she wants it done, she should do it herself instead of asking me to clean the house. You can imagine.
Sis, I really do not see anything wrong in what she said. You should learn to have...
Clara, one more word from you. One more word from you, I'll smash this bottle on your head. Something wrong with you. You really did not see anything with what she did. Rubbish.
She is so lovely, charming and elegant, but behind this epitome of beauty lies a beast. She's so right in her ways, does not care how others feel. She's a venomous viper, be careful with her. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter.
Who is there?
What do you want?
Baby, I missed you so much. I had to come here to apologize for what happened. I missed you.
I don't need you to apologize for anything. I need you to talk to that your auntie who thinks she can talk to anybody however she likes.
Babe, good news. Good news. She has finally come back to Port Harcourt. That my auntie is too troublesome. See, I'm alone in the house and I missed you so much. I had no choice. I have to come here to come and apologize. I want us to come back together as normal, please.
Because I choose to respect her does not give her the right to insult me. Does she know who I am?
No, she doesn't. But I know. And that's why I'm here.
I don't blame her.
Cindy! Nas, are you okay?
No, I'm not. I'm not.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
What?
I just got the text from the delivery company and they say your parcel has arrived.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
When did it arrive?
Not quite long.
Oh, okay.
So the thing is ready now for you to pick up.
Alright, I think you should rush and get it for me.
Pick up. But you can see I'm busy with my system. Why don't you just go there and pick it up since you're less busy?
Well, I'm busy too. I'm doing something.
Come on. But you're only on Instagram chatting with your friends.
What exactly are you arguing? I said I am busy. Am I lying?
No.
Yeah, so get it for me. Alright, see you.
Food is ready. Yeah, sit up, let's blind. Babe, let's eat. Babe, the food is ready. Stand up, let's eat.
I've lost my appetite.
What do you mean you've lost your appetite? Were you not the one that told me to go to the kitchen and cook for you? You're hungry. Now the food is ready. You are telling me you've lost it.
And it took you hours to prepare just a simple jollof rice? You expected me to wait that long?
But I cooked it now. It's ready. Yes, sorry for the time wasted, but the food is ready.
I already ate biscuits, so I'm fine.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know the food took longer time, but the food is ready. Finally, I still made the food for you. It's supposed to be opposite, but it's me that is cooking, and I still made it for you. You are telling me you lost your appetite. Eh? Please, let's go and eat.
Maxwell, listen. If you don't know what to do with that food, just throw it in the bin.
I should throw it in the bin. Yeah, babe, sorry. Let's eat, please. Eh? At least now, just even if you don't want to, you're full, you don't want, just taste the food.
I said I have lost my appetite.
Your father left a huge responsibility for you. And instead of you to concentrate on it, you're lavishing his wealth on that useless and mannerless girl.
That girl you are calling names will soon be my wife.
A girl that talks to me anyhow? Eh? That drinks and smokes around? Maxwell, what is wrong with you? How do you intend to build your home with such a person? A girl that both of you have the same lifestyle. Now tell me, what will she teach your children? How to smoke? Drink and club? Now listen to me. If I see that girl in this house again, you will beat me.
Cindy is too problematic. But yet I love her so much with all my heart. Yes, I'm doing everything possible to make this work out, but it's getting worse by the day. How can I get her off my mind when she's the only girl that can handle me in bed properly? I can't imagine leaving her for someone else. No. Not possible.
Finally, she has accepted to go out on a date with me. But there's a problem. Look, I don't know where to start from. I don't know how to express my feelings to her. I don't even know what to say. Look, say something. Say something.
You see why they call me a professional player? Do you see? Okay, fine. This is what's gonna happen. Just allow me to do the talking. Are you serious? And I will make her love you more than you can ever imagine.
Can you do that?
I want for you. I want for you. Okay, just allow me play my games and watch her yearn for your affections. I want for you. If I can do it for others, yours can never be an exception.
Hey! See what I'm talking about.
You all feel happy?
See what I'm talking about. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. If you do this for me, if you do this for me, I owe you. I owe you.
Wait. Now you see that no knowledge is a waste. No single knowledge is a waste. I remember you used to be against my tactics, but now you are in need of it. Inside life.
But the fact is, I was never against your tactics. I was only against your law of not eating one food for 1 year.
This man.
That is it.
This man.
I have to go now. I'll give you a call. Expect my help.
It's not you.
If anything happens,
Put call.
my guy, just give me a call. Give me a call. I'll be there for you.
Yes. Why are you disturbing me?
Hi.
I asked you a question. Why are you disturbing my life?
Please. Can you sit down?
Is that the answer to my question?
I beg of you. Sit. Let's have a drink.
I'm seated. Why am I here?
How was work today?
I can't remember telling you that I work.
I almost forgot. So, was there traffic when you were coming?
What sort of a stupid question is that?
Sorry, I only wanted to know your you see, I said it. I was just thinking about it before you walked in. These people, their service is very poor. Do you know I actually requested for two beautiful glasses?
I want to believe you didn't bring me out here to waste my precious time.
Who do we have?
Look, you're here.
Say Diva. Is that you?
Birds of a feather, they say, flock together.
Hey, come on. Please, what do you want to do? Do what?
Did you lay your hands on me? You want to beat me? Come on, beat me! Why are you holding him? Allow him! Beat me! I said beat me!
She will not try it. She will not. We can't even try.
Jobless idiot.
Have you said what you caused? No, did you see what you just caused? That's not part of the job. Just insulted me.
Just stop. Just stop. Stop calling her names. Don't call her names. Yes, she's not a whore. She's not a harlot. She's nothing. Eh? She's nothing. Don't call her names. I know she slapped you. Yes, I am sorry. I apologize on her behalf. Put the blames on me. Just put all the blames on me. Okay? She's nothing. She's just someone's love. She don't call her names, right? Yes. Don't call her names. She's my love. Alright. Fine. I did not bring you here to fight. Joke. Now you have spoiled everything. You have spoiled it. Let's go.
Who is this? He has refused to pick my call.
Why don't you go to his place to apologize to him?
God forbid. What for? No, why should I be the one to apologize to him?
There you go again, Cindy. Comparing yourself to him. What's the big deal if you apologize to him? You're expecting him to come apologize to you. Same with him. Before you know it, the love will fade away.
Clara, who cares if the love fades away? See, sometimes I wonder if you even know the kind of sister you have. See, Max should count himself lucky that I chose him over the numerous people coming to me. I even regret calling him in the first place, and I will never do that again.
Not to worry, I'll probably talk to him on your behalf.
Don't you dare! Did I ask you to? Did I? You better stay away from this, okay?
She's so right in her ways.
I'm sorry.
Does not care how others feel. She's a venomous viper. Be careful with her. She's a stubborn beauty. Pretty arrogant. Gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty. Pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty. Pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She is so lovely, charming and elegant, but behind this epitome of beauty lies a beast. She's so right in her ways, does not care how others feel. She's a venomous viper, be careful with her. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside.
Phone maniac. Always on your phone. That's insist.
Good afternoon. How did you go?
It went well. Nice. I had a good time. Though Lucy is not happy with you that you missed her wedding.
Oh, really? She won't understand. She won't. That's my... See. There's this trending dress online, and I'm trying to order it, but I can't, and I don't know why.
Bad network, I guess. Ta-da!
Hey! What? Oh my god! Thank you!
You're welcome.
Wow, my favorite perfume. Thank you so much.
Cindy.
Yeah?
The gift is actually from Ray. Yeah, I am fine. I'm good.
Why you need to lose interest in your sister?
Lose interest? How come? Look, this issue is too simple to deal with. Why are you both stretching it? Isn't it high time you work out things with my sister? I know she's missing you a lot. Fine, if you say so. Okay, yeah, take care. Max, honestly, I have tried everything possible to make her understand and see life differently. But she has bluntly refused to listen.
That is the problem. Cindy is not ready to learn. Cindy is not ready to change. She thinks she's still that daddy's little girl. That girl that was born with a silver spoon. She thinks the world revolves around her. So sometimes I wonder if both of you were raised by same parents. Because you are opposite of Cindy. You're respectful, you're matured. Everything about you is different from Cindy. Fine, I give that to her. She's very good in bed. She knows how to handle her man in bed.
Wait, are you indirectly calling my sister a bitch?
No, I would never do that. I mean no disrespect.
Yes, you just did. Look, I know she's a Sybarite, but you came and worsened the whole situation. I believe it's a man's duty to shape in his woman in the way he wants. Look, I am honestly tired of everything. If you both want to call it quits, do so, but do it maturely. You are both adults.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I heard everything you said. Thank you. Oh, alright. Oh, let me drop you off. Okay.
Max, I said something to you. What I expect is for you to go in there to settle your differences.
Clara, thank you very much for your concern. Don't worry. I know what to do. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. Thanks for dropping me. Cindy, what is it?
You act to be good to me, but stab me at my back. dropped you at the gate.
Look, Cindy, it's not what you think.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for yesterday. I allowed anger to get the better part of me. It wasn't intentional. I'm sorry, Clara.
I hold nothing against you, sis. All I want from you is for you to change your ways. You have easily forgotten the C-square. How Mom and Dad made sure we were always happy. Why are we always quarreling? Especially now that they are no more. Do you think they will be happy?
I'm sorry. I am sorry. Okay. I got you some drugs. This is a pain reliever. Let me get you water.
Excuse me, beautiful ladies.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
Fine. Sorry, there are other seats in this place. You can sit your seat. You wasn't sitting this day. That's too hard sitting. Allow him? What exactly does he have to say that we've not heard before?
Please, Cindy, can I just...
Oh, sorry, point of correction. It's not Cindy, it's Cindiva.
Fine. Cindiva, I don't know what I did to you to deserve this ill treatment. can you please give me a chance in your life? Just give me a chance to show you how I feel about you. Please.
What was that? How dare you! How dare you lay your filthy hands on me? Do you know what? I'm out of here.
What is this?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Should I tell her how I feel? No. This is not the best time to say that to her. Seriously, she will make a good wife. Clara, I can't wait to hear you say yes to me so I can spend the rest of my life with you.
I'm good.
Yeah, you're welcome. Clara, I am sincerely sorry for everything that happened. From the bottom of my heart. It was my fault. Please forgive me.
It's alright. I'm fine now.
Thank you very much. What do I have for you?
Oh, nothing. I am good.
Come on, what do you mean nothing? Don't tell me you're still angry with me.
No, I am not angry. I actually came here to plead with you to give me space. My sister is very unpredictable and she can do anything.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying. I know what Cindy is capable of doing. But not to worry. I will sort things out today with her.
What do you mean?
Yeah, I will reconcile with her today.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you.
Anything for you. Right, now that we're settled, you're happy, you're smiling. Let's go ahead and have some refreshments.
That will not be necessary. I have to go.
Come on, I mean no harm. Just want us to relax and talk. Okay, fine. Can you please help me prepare something to eat? I'm hungry and I missed your food.
I don't think that will be possible. I have to go.
Come on, Clara, why are you sounding this way? I just told you I'm going to settle things with you. Is it because I'm having a problem with your sister?
Maxwell, I have to go. Take care.
Clara.
What is it? I stopped so you can go and meet him. Oh. No, I'm very sure he will still be there. What is your problem?
Cindy, listen, we are friends.
I am the only one that can tell you the truth. Since Mas is not thinking of reconciling with you, why don't you give this guy a try? Cindy, please, just give him a chance. Okay? Cindy, you're very beautiful. I mean, very, very beautiful. You have everything. But I tell you the truth, your character does not support your
Oh,
beauty.
please spare me those sermons. Please. Like, you just met this guy and you're acting like this. You know what? I am driving and I need maximum concentration. Cindy, give it a try. The one is too much. Give this guy a chance. What is it? Like I said, you can as well go and meet him. If you disturb me one more time again, I'm going to drop and you are going to get down from this. I am not joking, Susie.
Like you're mad at me. Are you serious? Cindy, come on.
Hold on, I'm coming. Cindy. Oh. Oh. You're welcome. I am. Please come inside.
No, not to worry, not to worry. I'm fine here.
No, you can't be outside.
I'm fine here. Ray, I came to apologize for what happened earlier. I'm so sorry. I acted very stupid. I'm really sorry.
It's alright. It was just a slap. I never complained, and I will not complain. I am so happy that you're here. You don't know how happy I am. Please, can you just come inside? I have a little... I have so many things I want to tell you. Let's just sit.
Wait for me! Are you here? I am not your kind of girl and you're not my kind of girl! Wait from me! What have you done? And I pray you go blind!
Cindy! Cindy, what have you done? What have you done, Cindy? No!
She's so right in her way, does not care how others feel. She's a venomous viper, be careful with her. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside.
How was your date with him? You enjoyed it, right? You enjoyed it! Didn't you? I am not going to touch you. Do you like him? Ah, you like him? Clara, I am not against whatever it is you have with Max. But I will advise you don't get stuck on the way because I will not take it from you.
She's a venomous viper. Be careful with her.
Honestly, I can't wait to be with you. Yes.
Where is that? Oh, wow! Elton Hotel. Okay, that's where is it again? The one at GRA. Yes. Okay.
Oh, trust me. Huh? This is Duke. This is Duke. I know what I can do. I'll spoil you. I'll take care of you. I'll anything.
Okay. I'm coming right away. Okay. But listen. I am not spending the night.
Well, it's okay. It's fine.
Maybe some other time.
All right.
See. Don't worry. When I get there first, okay?
Behind this epitome of beauty lies a beast. She's so right in her ways, does not care how others feel. She's a venomous viper, be careful with her. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside.
So this girl had the guts. She had the mind to turn her phone off after spending all this with the promise that she's gonna come and see me. Cindy, just have it in mind that you just played with fire. You just played with fire. Better get ready to watch it burn to ashes. You're forming hard to get, right? You are forming hard to get. No, it's okay. It's alright. You've played your part. You've played your part. Useless Cindy.
have tried my best in convincing her, but it seems my best is not enough. Cindy is a hard nut to crack. She's too hard to deal with, especially since she broke up with her man.
She broke up with her man?
Yes. And since then, she sees all men as the same. She said they only come to her to use her, take advantage of her and dump her. But I told her no. You see, please, don't give up on her. You need to prove to me, prove to her, prove to everybody that you really love her. Please, I beg you, please. Just forgive her. We just need to keep trying and see how it goes. Please.
Susie, what if we do it this way?
Okay.
What about proposing to her too?
Oh my God! Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh,
Susie, I love Cindy.
I know!
I love her from the depth of my heart.
Oh.
I love her so much. I really want Cindy to see me differently. I need her to know that I'm not like other guys. Yes.
Wow. Wow. Are you serious? Are you sure you're ready for this?
Of course I am serious. If I am not serious, I wouldn't say it.
Oh my God. Oh my God, this is good news.
But the fact is, where and how do I see Cindy?
Come on, no, don't worry. Don't bother yourself. Just leave that to me. Okay? As long as you're ready, you're sure you're ready, leave that to me, leave the rest. I'll handle it. No, hold on. Wow! Please do not put me into trouble.
I won't. Clara, I don't know why you've been avoiding me lately. Yeah, I invited you for a date, you practically refused. You didn't show up. The second time, I invited you for a lunch in my house, the same thing happened. What do you expect me to do? I had no choice. I had to come to your house to know if I've done something wrong.
What is it? What do you want to tell me? Please hurry up. I don't want my sister to see us together.
Clara, please. Please don't say no to me.
Don't say no to what?
Please. Clara, marry me, please. Please don't say no.
No!
Please, how is my friend faring now?
He's fine. Don't bother yourself. Just go and make your payments first, eh?
I will do just that, but can I at least see him?
Not now. Maybe you'll come back later in the evening.
Alright.
And see him, right?
Thank you very much, Doc.
My pleasure, sir.
Appreciate it.
My pleasure.
How could you? How could you do such a thing? What did the young man do to you to deserve such wickedness from you? From all indications, Cindy, you are insanity! Don't you dare call me that. You caused it. Oh. Yes, you caused it. Why did you tell him to leave me alone? You planned it all with him. And you think I didn't know? Just for some penny. I never collected any money from him. I did all I did for your own happiness. But you always think from your own perspectives. What if the young man is dead?
Susie, sorry. What is going on?
Oh, she didn't tell you? Your sister here hired thugs to beat up Red. And as I speak to you, the young man is half dead. What? Cindy! Where is he now? How am I supposed to know? From what she told me that they left him when they noticed he's lying lifeless. Cindy! Cindy, how could... Cindy, you're pushing me away from you. Gradually, you're pushing me away from you.
What stupid love are you talking about? Now tell me, what kind of nonsense love are you telling me? Just take a good look at yourself. Look at yourself. Why do you keep following my hand, Ray? Why? What's wrong with you, man? Just look at yourself. Now listen, you're gonna press charges on her, whether you like it or not. Because that idiot, that riffraff, she has eaten more than she can chew, and she's gonna pay for it. I don't even blame her either. I blame you because you made her feel so important, as if she wants something more when she's virtually nothing. Nothing. That idiot.
Duke, please. I have told you to stop calling her names. Please. Stop calling her names. She's something. Eh? And bring down your voice. There is a hospital, please. I wouldn't want them to come shouting at us. Just don't be angry. What has happened has happened. Don't call her names again, oh?
Idiot! Fool! Shut up! Keep quiet! I will deal with you!
Hey man, drive, don't worry.
I will deal with you. Shut up, idiot! Shall you reform, Abi? You reform say your best mother, Abi? You go hear word today. You go hear word.
Please, I'm so sorry.
Will you quiet? Shut up! Shut up! Keep quiet! I'll mess you up. After dealing with you today, you will see me and you respect me. Fool! Kelly!
Yeah.
Kelly!
Yeah.
Come on, drive.
Okay.
Come on, drive. Let me deal with this fool!
No shit!
Let me deal with that! Let me deal with that! Fool! Come on, drive! Fool! Come on, drive!
Just move down.
Come on, drive! Idiot! Fool!
Don't worry. Just move. Wait first. Do it again. Cindy, stop.
What's the problem now?
Just stop. Stop, don't worry. I think I have an idea.
Idea of what?
Yes, let me call a friend.
A friend?
Yes.
Well, this car, I've been using it. I didn't use it this evening. I will drop it. What exactly is the problem now?
Calm down. God. Oh. Hey, calm down. Just don't. Calm down. Yeah, it's ringing. Yeah. Yeah, hello.
My car just broke down along the Hillview Estate, close to Top Rank Hotel. Fine. Yeah, there. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, man.
Is he coming?
Yeah, he's coming. Calm down, don't worry. God. Yeah, there he comes.
You're fine, don't worry. He's the one. Man, what's up? Yeah. My 7 days soon. The car just broke down.
Yeah. Cindy? So, both of you know each other?
Yes, we... see...
No need for that, okay? We have to leave now. Okay. Cindy, let's go. Yeah. Sure, I'll do that.
Let's go. Do you want to take anything from the car?
No, but am I supposed to leave my car here?
Tomorrow we'll fix it. Let's go.
Sure?
It's safe, Cindy. Let's go.
Cindy, can we just leave, okay? Let's leave. We're not safe at home. Let's leave. Kelly, please go.
Yeah, we should sleep tomorrow. Okay, let's go. Cindy, let's go.
I'm glad.
Kelly, down. Let's go tomorrow.
I hope all is well. Please, let's go inside.
No. Ray, I came to say thank you. I came to say thank you for how you helped me. I'm very grateful.
It's alright. It's fine. I mean, that's who I am. That's who I am. You were actually the least person I expected to see. It's fine.
Okay.
For God's sake, Clara, why are you treating me like this? Why are you doing this to me? What have I done wrong? I can't even concentrate all because of you, yet you keep turning me down. I want to believe it is because of Cindy you were doing this. But now she has found love. She's now happy with her new boyfriend. And that should give us a chance to be together. Please.
Max, please. I can't. Put yourself in my shoes. If I am your sister, will you allow me marry a guy that I have dated his brother? No. We are talking about marriage here, not friendship. I am sorry, but I have to say no to your request. Please forgive me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Max. For all the pains I might have caused you. I thought I was living the good life. I didn't know I was getting it all wrong. Please forgive me.
She is so lovely, charming and elegant, but behind this epitome of beauty lies a beast. She's so right in her ways, does not care how others feel. She's a venomous viper, be careful with her. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She is so lovely, charming and elegant, but behind this epitome of beauty lies a beast. She's so right in her ways, does not care how others feel. She's a venomous viper, be careful with her. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside. She's a stubborn beauty, pretty arrogant, gorgeous outside, but so bitter inside.
Doctor, what about the test?
Can I talk to you outside?
Sure.
Good.
Doctor, should I come with you?
No, just stay, right? I'll be back.
Nothing will happen to you, okay? Nothing will happen to you. You'll be fine.
Who's the lady to you?
Doctor, she's my girl. What happened? Whatever it is, just tell me. Whatever it will cost, I am ready to pay. Please.
She drinks and smokes, right?
Yes, she does.
Her liver is completely damaged.
What?
And she has cardiovascular disease which has eaten her up. Her chances of survival is just 20%.
What did the doctor say? Raymond. Cindy. I know you're a very nice person. Please take care of my sister. Cindy, please. Cindy, please don't sound like this, please. Nothing will happen to you, Cindy, nothing. Nothing will happen to you. Have you forgotten the 6 square trees? They promised you made to our parents, Cindy.
No. You can make those dreams come to pass.
Pull yourself together. Just pull yourself together, alright? I promise nothing will happen to her. The doctor is doing his best. I am here for her.
What is wrong with my sister?
Nothing.
What is wrong with my sister? No.
Doctor. Doctor. Doctor.
I'm sorry we lost her.
No! Please check my sister. She was just breathing now, doctor. She was just breathing now, doctor. She was just breathing now, doctor. She was just breathing now.
Listen to me. It's okay, you can't kill yourself. It's okay. It's okay. Don't come on. Please help me over.
No, doctor, you cannot lose her. understand. Listen. No, it's
Yes. Why are you disturbing me?
Hi.
I asked you a question. Why are you disturbing my life?
I only wanted to know your you see, I said it. I was just thinking about it before you walked in. These people, their service is very poor. Do you know I actually requested for two beautiful glasses?
I want to believe you didn't bring me out here to waste my precious time.
Hey, come on. Please, what do you want to do? Do what?
Did you lay your hands on me? You want to beat me? Come on, beat me! Why are you holding him? Allow him! Beat me! I said beat me!
She will not try it. She will not. We can't even try.
Jobless idiot.
Sindiva, I don't know what I did to you to deserve this ill treatment. Can you please give me a chance in your life? Just give me a chance to show you how I feel about you. Please.
What was that? How dare you! How dare you lay your filthy hands on me? Ray, I came to apologize for what happened earlier. I'm so sorry. I acted very stupid. I'm really sorry.
It's alright. It was just a slap. I never complained, and I will not complain. I am so happy that you're here. You don't know how happy I am. Please, can you just come inside? I have so many things I want to tell you. Let's just sit.
Away from me! Are you here? I am not your kind of girl, and you're not my kind of girl. Away from me!
The choice I made. Oh, God.
Cindy, the life you chose to live has backfired and sent you to your early grave. Now you turned in your leaf. Your last smile and words reminds me how close you were at death's door. I promise never to forget your words of encouragement before you died. I also want to use this medium to share to the whole world. I
urge each and every one of us to be serious with our health. Don't live a life that pleases you, but a life that is worthy of emulation. I am not saying you should not drink, smoke, club, or hang out with friends. But don't let them take the most precious part of your life. Try to visit the doctors for checkup, because life is a precious gift from God to mankind. How I wish my sister listened to me. How I wish she listened to the people who loved her. How I wish the dead can return. Return if possible. And you, my queen,